The defining moment that cemented Boston Dynamics' victory in the global AI robotics race wasn't a viral backflip or a staggering increase in walking speed. It was a far more pragmatic and industrially significant move. The company announced that its fully electric humanoid robot, Atlas, was entering real serial production with the entirety of its 2026 volume already sold out before the first unit even left the factory floor. While competitors like Tesla are still deep in the prototype phase, promising future fleets, Boston Dynamics executed the single most difficult pivot in the tech industry, transitioning from a legendary R&D lab to a viable commercial manufacturer. The masterstroke that made this possible was not just engineering genius, but a strategic business alignment. After being passed around by Google and SoftBank, Boston Dynamics finally found the perfect parent company in Hyundai. It wasn't just capital that Hyundai provided, it was the secret weapon of modern manufacturing, automotive supply chains and use case validation. This move fundamentally changed the game because it solved the two biggest bottlenecks that kill most robotics startups, scalability and real-world testing. Hyundai didn't just write a check, it opened its factories. By integrating Atlas into its manufacturing ecosystem, Hyundai gave Boston Dynamics a live, Iron Dome, to test and refine the robot under brutal industrial conditions. Furthermore, Hyundai Mobis stepped in to supply the custom actuators, designing every component of the new Atlas for compatibility with mass automotive production lines rather than boutique lab assembly. This vertical integration allows Boston Dynamics to achieve economies of scale that competitors like Figure AI or Tesla simply cannot match yet. The result is a robot that is not just a science project, but a hardened, industrial superworker, capable of lifting 50 kilograms, 110 pounds, operating in extreme temperatures from 20 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, and, most critically, performing battery hot swaps autonomously to run 24/7. While competitors are racing to build general-purpose robots for vague future markets, Boston Dynamics deployed its fleet for immediate, high-value tasks like palletizing, machine tending, and parts sequencing, starting immediately at Hyundai's factories. But the true one move that signals they have won the AI race is the fusion of hardware mastery with the brains of the industry. In a stunning partnership announced at CES 2026, Boston Dynamics integrated Google DeepMind's new Gemini Robotics AI Foundation models directly into Atlas. This isn't just a software update, it is a cognitive revolution. By combining Boston Dynamics' legendary athletic intelligence, dynamic balance and 56 degrees of freedom, with DeepMind's foundational intelligence, advanced vision language action models, Atlas is no longer just a pre-programmed gymnast. It has become a learning, adapting entity capable of navigating unstructured environments and manipulating deformable objects with human-like intuition. While China's Unitree wows audiences with dance routines and Tesla promises a future of $20,000 Optimus bots, Boston Dynamics has delivered the present, a rugged, self-charging, AI-native humanoid whose 2026 production run is already fully committed. With Hyundai preparing to invest $26 billion to build a new factory capable of churning out 30,000 robots per year by 2028, Boston Dynamics has moved the goalpost from, "Can we build a walking robot?" to, "How fast can we scale the workforce of the future?" That is the one move that broke the race wide open and left the competition looking at a sold-out schedule.